Since 2018, we are active in Belgium, making some projects together with our solution partners. And Quatuor project was one of the major projects.
The concept of Quatuor was to make a building redefining the city in a key intersection. To achieve that, we have chosen to design a building with a soft architecture and natural materials and glass. This soft architecture is intended to be welcoming for the people. That's why the building is built on a transparent circle supporting rounded facades. To give the building an inviting aspect, we decided to use natural stone, which is giving life to the facade. Even if it seems not to be the most obvious choice to be combined with stone, we decided to go with an aluminium facade. This gave us different advantages. The first one was to be able to prefabricate all the frames in a factory, giving us a certainty of quality and delivery. The second was the modularity of detailing all the different facade details on one framework basis. The aluminium ensured to achieve all the actual standards like efficiency, thermal performance, and durability. Reynaers has some standard solutions which can be redeveloped to the exact needs of the project.
The facade of the Quatuor building consists of a custom-made element facade system. This means that this unique solution is tailored to the specific requirements and needs of the project. The biggest challenge were the outer stone boxes and fins. Their presence led to a higher weight and additional wind loads, which had to be structurally transferred through the facade. Moreover, these boxes also obstruct a proper glass replacement in case of glass breakage and damage. Thanks to our know-how, we found a good and working solution. We created a special cassette system which can be disconnected from the inside of the building. This makes the glass replacement a lot easier. In our product design, we also considered the different curvatures which are typical for the Quatuor's unique architecture.
The architectural lines, which was always curved without any sharp corners in the projects, which consist of 4 towers, triangular forms, but always the corners was curved. The challenge was to find a solution with the unitized systems. We worked with Reynaers Aluminium to find some solutions. The final target is to reach 0.6, which is very challenging.
We were able to meet this very severe U value thanks to our well-insulated aluminum profiles, the intelligent design of gaskets and strips, and the best insulating materials applied by our partners.
After a classical type detailing in 2 dimensions, we had the opportunity to test the final design within the Avalon system. This allowed us to make some minor but necessary adjustments.
Avalon, a virtual reality room, helps stakeholders to visualize and evaluate projects even before they are built. Here we can navigate through virtual versions of projects to explain, compare, and discuss different solutions. The VR tool allowed the architects to literally walk around in their design and immediately get a clear picture of the possibilities and the impact of their choices on the appearance of the building. The stakeholders could go over all the colour choices, discuss both the aesthetics and secure installation of the building cladding. The original plan to lower the floors, having a few technical dependencies, was also reviewed in Avalon. The decisions were tested immediately for practical feasibility, and technical problems became clear even to the non-techies. This resulted in huge time and budget savings.
The Quatuor's facade has been thoroughly tested to meet all the predefined requirements. For airtightness, it achieved the required pressure level of 600 pascals. For watertightness, it was 900 pascals, and it also was successfully tested on wind resistance. About 1800 pascal was achieved for the design wind load, and about 2700 pascal for the safety wind load. And next to the air wind water tests, we also tested the facade's acoustic performance. At a sound reduction of 43 decibels, it perfectly met the project specifications. As you can tell, nothing was left to a chance on this marvelous project.
After the construction, we were very happy with the final result we achieved together with the partners.
There are always problems in the projects, but the main thing is to find always the solutions, and we achieved this with always Reynaers Aluminium.